Greetings everybody. Bill and I coming to you with another video. We're trying a Chick-fil-A for the first time. Are you warm?
My hands are a little cold, that's why I have them in my pockets.
What is it, about 20 degrees out there?
Yeah. I know what I'm getting.
What are you getting?
I'm number one.
What's that?
Chicken sandwich.
The Chick-fil-A chicken?
Mm-hmm.
The deluxe?
No, I don't want any lettuce.
What does that come with?
I don't know.
What do you got there, Bill?
Macaroni, waffle fries, and a chicken sandwich.
Here we are at Chick-fil-A. I haven't gotten my food yet. Bill got his pretty fast.
These fries are interesting. Waffle fries.
Let's see if they're interesting. What do they taste like?
Fries.
Where's my food? How come yours came so fast and mine's not here yet?
You're impatient.
Yeah, but yours came really fast.
Where'd you get the BBQ sauce?
He asked me if I wanted it. Wish you had
Ask
one?
Me.
Quarter. I'll sell it to you for a quarter. Chick-fil-A barbecue. All right, I'll let you have one. You're my buddy. I'll let you have it. Where's my food, dude? I'm starving. I think my food's coming. Jason was bringing my food. Oh, thank you,
Jason.
Thank you, Jason. All right, so we got these waffle fries. Probably be better with a little ketchup. They're kind of bland. Did you notice that?
Tastes like potatoes.
Did you just smell your food?
Yeah.
Keep your eye on this guy. There he goes. Ooh, that's kind of fancy. I like that. Little squeeze container. What's your name?
Mayonnaise. There's nothing on my chicken. You gotta add your own.
I gave you the barbecue sauce. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. All right, we're gonna, This is the mac and cheese. Oh man, that's good. Wish I had some pepper. You got any pepper?
No thanks.
I think what's gonna make this pop. What are you eating over there?
Chicken sandwich.
How is it?
It's really good.
Is it really good? All right, so I've just added pepper to my mac and cheese. That's good. All right. This is pretty outstanding. Okay, I'm not ready to eat the chicken yet. Have a couple more of these waffle fries.
It's pretty good. I recommend mayonnaise though.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Over barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
I got the spicy though.
It's kind of small. I feel like I could eat 2 or 3 of them.
What's that? What'd you say? What's that? You said something about they're kind of small?
I said I should have ordered 2 or 3 of them.
Oh. I really like these, look. This is pretty cool. I've never seen those before. It's pretty fancy. Seems to be pretty crowded for a Saturday night. But you say they're closed tomorrow?
Yep.
All right. The only thing that might make this a little better would be more pepper. Ah, there's another one. More pepper. Like this much more. Oh. Mix that up. You know what this could be, Bill?
What?
You know what this could be?
No.
This could be our Chick-fil-A mukbang video. Where we talk to the camera as if it's a person who's here with us. This is pretty good. I'm really enjoying my first experience at Chick-fil-A. What's that? I think the best thing about is this burnt on cheese. You have any of that? It's pretty good. All right, here goes. It's time for the sandwich.
Got ketchup all over it.
I'll be careful. Ooh. Now I ordered the spicy. The number 2. And I'm gonna just have it without anything. I'm gonna try that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, here we go. First bite. That is delicious. I don't think it needs anything.
Macaroni's pretty good.
Did you eat it all? Are you gonna eat this barbecue?
No.
I will. I don't think it needs anything. I think it's that good. But
It's a good piece of chicken.
it is a good piece of chicken. I think it's a breast.
Probably.
God. It's kind of like the McRib, except different. Notice the pickles?
Better.
I think it is superior. All right, I'm going to do just a little bit of barbecue. That's delicious. My God. Look at that. Oh, this is that place that always has the eat more chicken commercials, doesn't it?
There's one over there.
Eat more chicken. Man, if I knew it tasted this good, I would have eaten here sooner. You see this? It's pretty amazing. Look, I've got all this left. I suppose these people are on dates. You think this is like a date place?
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
I see mostly families.
Look at that. It's sad when you get down to the last macaroni. I'm gonna eat it with a waffle cone, waffle fry. Little barbecue. I'm not crazy about that. The barbecue sauce, it's all right.
I told you mayonnaise.
You didn't get me an extra one. Try and think of the people you go out to eat with sometimes. Maybe they would like to sample what you're trying. If you like it so much, if it's such a great idea, maybe bring an extra. I think there's an athletic team in town here. High school athletics. What do you think, Bill? How many stars on a scale of 1 through 5?
I give the chicken a 4, but everything else a 3.
I give the chicken a 5 and everything else a 4. So obviously we disagree. So maybe you should check it out for yourself and see who's right, me or Bill.
I give the Jesus painting on the window a 5.
Thanks for checking out this video, everybody. It's been JP1970 and Bill. See you later. Thanks for watching.